Commercial and domestic fire protection systems are made simple with h2x.
And designs that used to take hours can now be done in minutes.
To start things off, let's go into the settings and take a look at our fire protection systems. In terms of plumbing, you have a wide variety of pipe materials and sizings to choose from. And then looking at our fire protection nodes, h2x has its own individual selection of settings for each type. Looking at our fire hydrant settings, we can adjust the maximum and minimum pressures, the continuous flow rate, and even the maximum simultaneous nodes. And all measurements are both available in imperial and metric. Designing fire protection systems in h2x is as simple as selecting and placing a wide range of equipment, and then using the pipes and multiple pipes tools to draw polyline ring main systems that link everything together.
h2x's fire protection nodes give you the option to add
Fire hydrants, hose reels, and fire sprinklers,
which are all fully customizable through the settings. It's time to calculate our results.
And it should be noted that all water calculations undertaken in your design have CIBSE verified accuracy.
Zooming in on our pipes, we can see our flow rate, our velocity, and our pressure drop. Looking at our water pump, we can see our pressure drop and our booster pump duty.
And then looking at our fire hydrant nodes, we can even see the residual pressure. Through h2x, you can directly export your designs into both AutoCAD and Revit. And in terms of documentation, export your plans into fully customizable PDF drawing sets, a full system design report that compiles every calculation in your system, and a bill of materials that compiles all costs into an easy-to-read, easy-to-reference spreadsheet.
If you'd like to optimize your workflow with h2x,
head to our website and book a one-to-one free demonstration with one of our specialists, and sign up for a free trial. But if h2x isn't just for you, we also offer large-scale implementation plans for entire teams of consultants.